How to make and receive phone calls through your Windows 10 PC. You need to make or answer a phone call, but your mobile phone isn't within arm's reach. No problem if you're in front of your Windows 10 computer and have an Android device. You can make and receive calls meant for your phone through your Windows 10 computer. The trick lies in setting up your phone and then using Microsoft's Your Phone app to enable the calling option. Sorry, iPhone users. This trick won't work for you. But if you own an Android phone, the steps aren't too difficult. For this to work, your PC will need the Windows 10 May 2019 update, aka Windows version 1903 or higher. Your PC must also have Bluetooth, and your Android phone must be running Android 7.0 or higher. If your phone is not already linked in Windows 10, linking it is your first step. Go to Settings and then Phone. If your phone isn't linked, click the button to add a phone. At the next screen, choose your type of phone, Android or iPhone, and click Continue. Again, the calling feature works only with Android, figure A. On your Android phone, go to the Google Play Store and install Microsoft's Your Phone Companion app. Open the app and sign in with your Microsoft account if requested. Grant the necessary permissions by tapping Allow for each prompt. If you would like the Your Phone Companion app to be always available, tap Allow when asked. If you want the app to always run in the background, figure B. Back at your PC, check the box that says Yes, I finished installing Your Phone Companion app. Click the button to open QR code. On your Android phone, tap Allow to allow the connection with your PC and then tap Done. You should see a screen indicating that your phone and PC are linked, figure C. On your PC, the Your Phone app is already open, as that's what you're using to set up the connection. If you don't see it, click the Start button and open the app from the Your Phone shortcut. At the window for the Your Phone app, click the Settings icon at the bottom of the left sidebar. Scroll down the settings screen to the Calls section and turn on the switch to allow this app to make and manage calls from My Phone, figure D. From the Your Phone app on your PC, click the icon on the left sidebar for calls. Click the Setup button. On your phone, tap Allow when asked to make your phone visible to other Bluetooth devices. You'll then be asked to confirm the PIN displayed on your PC and phone. Click Yes on your PC and tap Pair on your phone, figure E. If Focus Assist is turned on, you'll receive a notification asking you to turn it off to allow for phone calls. Now let's say you want to make a call. At the dial pad screen in the Your Phone app on your PC, type the number you wish to dial or start typing the first or last name of the contact you want to call. Then click the phone icon below the dial pad, figure F. You can then conduct the phone call through your computer and click the hang up icon when you're finished. To be able to answer an incoming call, make sure the Your Phone app is running. Click the Accept button in the notification to pick up the call, figure G. Click the hang up icon when you're done. 5G networks and devices, mobile security, remote support, and the latest about phones, tablets, and apps are some of the topics we'll cover. Text source: techrepublic.com.